Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Guide to NID. I hope you are doing good. And today's topic is how to prepare for any exam in less than 1 month. I get a lot of questions on Quora and Facebook where a lot of students ask questions like there is only 20 days left, how to prepare for my NEFT exam, how to prepare for NID exam, there is only 1 month left, how to prepare for SEED, and the pointers that I'm giving you right now are applicable across all types of exams, whether it's your semester exam, whether it's your school exam, whether it's an exam like IAS or engineering services or design exams. These are the pointers that are very critical for you to prepare to a decent level where you can at least get passing marks. I'm not saying and I'm not promoting that you should prepare in the last month or in the last 20-30 days, but if you are in a situation where you don't have an option, these 5 tips will definitely help you score much better than a normal student. So number one is you should thoroughly read the website of the exam that you are applying for. So let's say I am preparing for SEED. So if I'm preparing for SEED, I should definitely go and check out the website for SEED, which is a dedicated website, and they have done a pretty decent job. So all the information, the important dates, the examination, the programs are covered on this website. I agree that the choice of color and font is not that great, but you can see all the information that you need to know as a student available on this one website. And most of the time that the questions that I get on Quora are these basic questions like, am I eligible for this course, am I not eligible for this course, what are the preparation guidelines, what are the syllabus for the particular examination, what is SEED all about, what are the colleges that are available through SEED. So all these basic FAQ kind of questions are already answered on this website. And now when you download the brochure, each and everything is clearly mentioned here. What are the different types of programs, which college offers which program, what are the basic eligibility criteria, how to submit an application, instructions for filling the form, basic syllabus, what should you expect in the exam. All these things are basically covered. Now when you go through this, you will at least have a decent amount of idea what to expect, what not to expect. And when you read all this basic documentation, your anxiety level will come down drastically. You will feel much more confident, you will feel much more relaxed than a normal student who is not aware of these things. So I would highly recommend you read through the college website, you read through the examination website thoroughly, word by word. Then you go through the eligibility criteria and the prospectus. Particularly, suppose you have applied for a BDES at NID or a BDES at NIFT, you should definitely check the prospectus for BDES. At least you should definitely check the rules for BDES. You should definitely check the branches that are available for BDES. Point number 2 is to download and solve last 10 years question papers. Whatever exam that you are attempting is being conducted for last 10, 15, 20, 30 years, right? And the old question papers are readily available on internet, and it's very easy to download previous year question papers. Like here on the SEED website, it's just a click away. All these previous year question papers are just a click away. You just have to click and the question paper will open up. So this much is something which is extremely basic, and you should definitely solve this, and you can definitely attempt this much in 1 month's time. Okay, this also will give you enough understanding and idea about what to expect, what not to expect, what is the difficulty level of the examination, and what kind of areas it cover. Because a lot of times, particularly in exams like SEED and NID, people get very confused about what to read, what not to read, what to prepare, what not to prepare. And because there is no well defined syllabus, people get very nervous and very restless. So this is a sure shot way to bring down your anxiety and boost your confidence. Then third very critical thing is you should definitely talk to one or two people who are currently going through the course which you are applying for, or who are passed out students working in the industry, so that you can get a realistic perspective about what will happen to you in the coming future after completion of that course. Why that is important is because if you don't talk to the students, or if you don't talk to the person who has gone through the same experience, you may end up repeating certain mistakes which those people did, and you may regret later. So talking to actual students, talking to seniors, talking to people who have passed out from that college is very critical. Instead of going to a coaching class and completely relying on those people and their experience, you should take this little initiative from your end and bring down your anxiety levels. It will tremendously help you boost your confidence, because the person who has already attempted that exam is giving you a very realistic perspective about what to expect, what not to expect, what are the placement scenarios, and how the career growth will be 2 years or 10 years down the line if you choose that course. Fourth very important thing is, whenever you have these doubts like whether I will have an interview or I will not have an interview, whether portfolio is required or not, or any such procedural questions, you should pick up your phone and dial the college administration. Again, it is very critical because the preparation time is very limited. And if you have certain doubts and dilemmas and questions in your mind, it will unnecessarily occupy your focus and gives you lots of restlessness. So to bring down your anxiety level, stress level, and make sure that you have the most correct information about the procedure part of that exam, you should directly call the administrative authority of that college. And trust me, most of these good colleges will have very nice administrative support. They will immediately pick up your phone and they'll reply all your queries as soon as possible, and that will be much better than asking those questions on Quora, right? And the fifth very critical thing is, guys, we are living in an internet age and everything is just a Google away. You open your smartphone and just say best college for graphic design.
Universities frequently mentioned on the web include Rhode Island School of Design, Maryland Institute College of Art, School of Visual Arts, and others.
See, this much information is readily available over my voice command, and it is so much easier than asking questions on Quora and waiting for answers for days and weeks. So guys, please try these 5 things and you can dramatically improve your chances of getting selected or chances of scoring a decent level of marks in any kind of examination. I'll give you a quick recap. Number 1, read the website of the college that you are applying for. Number 2, download the question papers of last 10 years or 5 years and solve them. Number 3, talk to at least 2 seniors or existing students of that college in which you are planning to apply. Number 4, any doubt that you have regarding the procedure for admission, please call up the administration guys and ask for information, because that will be the most genuine information. And fifth most important point is, use Google more than you do. Your phone is much more powerful than you think it is. NASA used this much computing power to send man on moon. So imagine the power that you have in your hand and use it wisely. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you and you will definitely gain something out of it. If you like such videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.